back to my channel. Today is going to be a very chill kind of scrapbooking video. I only decided to post this out of the blue because I was just kind of doing it myself and I didn't really want to turn in the video, but here we are. I thought there's not much to talk about in the background, so I would read you a few excerpts in the most recent book that I've read, which I have loved. I think I will have book recommendation video coming up, which I will definitely mention this book, but I'll just read some of my favorite lines. I'll put the name of the book on the screen. The first excerpt is, "They lay next to each other and listened to the rain. So life hasn't turned out right for either of us, not the way we expected," he said. "Except it feels good now, at this moment. Better than I have reason to believe I deserve," he said. "Oh, you deserve to be happy, don't you believe that?" "I believe that's how it's turned out, for these last couple of months, for whatever reason. You're still skeptical about how long this will last. Everything changes." Second excerpt describes a hot summer day, and I thought the author did such a great job. I was actually feeling the warmth in my body when right now it's winter. So, the dog looked at the boy and they ran off again. It was getting hot now, middle of July. The sky unclouded and the wheat in the fields alongside the road already cut, stubble all neat and sheared off square. In the next field, the corn running in straight, dark green rolls. A bright, hot summer's day. Next excerpt is about love. "You are being too hard on yourself again," Addie said. Who does ever get what they want? It doesn't seem to happen to many of us, if any at all. It's always two people bumping against each other blindly, acting out of old ideas and dreams and mistaken understandings. And the last favorite line that I've written in the book. "Who would have thought at this time in our lives that we'd still have something like this? That it turns out we're not finished with changes and excitements." There you go. Now is a flip through of my scrapbook with just a bunch of random aesthetic photographs. I do this once in a while to relax myself and for aesthetic purposes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I feel like a lot of the end of year videos that I'm doing is just flipping through all the notebooks that I have, but I feel like they all deserve a video. So, and I guess I'll say a few more words before I finish flipping through it. Well, today that I'm uploading it, it is December 28th of 2022. And, well, it's 4 days until 2023. And I think in the past few years I've done like goal setting and whatever just to like refresh myself. But I feel like this year I'm just gonna let it be. I mean, there's obviously gonna be excitements into the new year, but it also just feels like another day in your life. So I might not do like so many kind of, wow, it's a new year, let's get prepared kind of video, but just rather still going at my pace. So see you on the next one. Bye.